What's up everyone, I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks, where I share videos regarding how to make money online. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to share a new method of making money online. But before that happens, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel because I post videos daily nowadays, and I will show various other ways to make money online for all of you. Today I'm going to talk about how you can make money just by editing photos. It's simple as that, and I have tried it on myself and it works, and I want to share this method with all of you so that you can give it a go. Okay, as you can see on the screen right now, this website is called makeup.pho.to. okay, and this interface will be available for you. Now what you have to do is, first you really don't have to have skills of photo editing and stuff like that. Even if you don't have the skills, you will be easily able to do that. So click on the enhance your photo. If you have a photo to edit, you can upload it from your computer like this, okay, or otherwise you can use these sample photos to see if it works for you. And if it has a desired effect, then obviously you will know if your photo will work as well. So I will do it myself. Okay, let's go for this sample photo. It's processing. Yeah, as you can see on the screen here. Okay, do you see that? It's gone. It's so awesome. Like, it is all already automatic. So when you upload an image, just check this box and then click on apply. Okay, as soon as you click on the apply button, you'll be able to remove all of these skin problems and all those stuff like that. It will be removed and it will be like this, as you can see. Awesome, right? So this is a way you can just edit in photos in few seconds, and then you can provide the services. So you have to sell this stuff, right? Like you can sell your services like this, and you can charge like around $5 or $10 for each person you for whom you do this, like for whom you edit this stuff. So how you can do that? It's easy. First, go to Fiverr section, fiverr.com. Search here for photo editing. Look, I will do any photo editing in 4 hours. Okay, you can always provide a photo editing services like this, and you can charge some money to do it, and you just have to list it here that, hey, I do photo editing for you, and I'll do it quicker for you. I do some face editing and stuff like that, and I will charge like $5. Okay, that's how it will work for in case of Fiverr. Okay, you can also go for the most for here instance, you can go for photo retouching. Okay, there is a section of photo retouching where people are searching for services, and look, they are also charging like $5 to $10 for this, and it's so easy. I promise, it's so easy that anyone can do it. So if you want your photo getting retouched, and people are doing it, people are asking for photo retouching and stuff like that. So if you go for it, you can obviously do that. And if you look at this section, and 2 days delivery and stuff like that, and look, see, and this can easily be done with that with that stuff, like with that photo retouch, face retouch, and it will be done in no time, and it's easy, and it will take a few seconds. But you are saying that you are going to give them like delivery within two days and 1 revision. That's awesome, right? Anyone can do this. Anyone. Okay. Look, it has good reviews too, so it's easier to do this. Okay, So see here, let's see, yes, I can show. Okay, this one and this one looks good. And I guess photo retouching. Look, there are pimples and stuff like that. There's no pimples, and it can be done in few seconds. Okay, so the next way you can do that is this is Fiverr.com. You will go to Upwork.com. Okay, it is almost work like a similar website. Search here for photo editing. Okay. Okay. Photo editing, design and creative. I promise you, it's really easy. It's really easy, and you don't have to do anything. Photo retouching services. They charge, look, they charge $15 per hour. So that means you can earn a lot of money just by showing this, like doing this kind of stuff. And Upwork will help you to reach out to like those clients will reach out to you, and you have to accept the offer. Okay, then you have to do this stuff, like within a few seconds you will be able to do it, and then upload it to them, and you will send it over to them that yeah, I have done it already, and it took me one day. Actually it took you a few seconds, right? So it's awesome. You can do it at any time, and if you can provide them delivery within 6 hours or stuff like that, they are gonna prefer that even more over others who are sending who deliver their finished product within 1 day or 2 days, and for that reason you will get more orders. Okay, and that's something you should consider. Okay, these are the section these are the things you can do with this, and it's simple. Anyone can do it, and with this photo editing software, it's incredible that you can always save and share. Okay, like this. You can download, you can get a link for this, you can send it to Dropbox and stuff like that. So it's easy, you can do it online. So that's what I wanted to share, and that's simple, right? I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel, because I post videos like this daily nowadays, and I'll be providing you more and more information about how to make money online, and I myself I'm finding various other ways I can make money online. So our interests are similar, right? So if you're first time here, please subscribe to my channel, because I post videos daily, and if you have any comments, you can drop a comment below so that I can check it out. And also if you haven't watched my previous videos yet, I will provide the previous videos here in this section, or in this section probably, so that you can watch my previous videos too. And there are a lot of information regarding how to make money online. So I hope it will be really helpful for you, and I think everyone should know different ways to make money. And as a disclaimer, as always, I really don't guarantee that it will work 100%, but I would recommend you to check it out and do it yourself and see if it works for you. And if it works for you, it's awesome, right?